Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best outfeed table is probably one of the most important accessories for your table saw, ensuring smooth cuts and preventing dangerous kickbacks. This video will help you find the perfect outfeed table for your needs, covering key features like size, stability, adjustability, and material, ultimately helping you choose the best one to enhance your woodworking experience and improve safety in your workshop. Number 5. WORKPRO Folding Roller Stand. This stand is perfect for any woodworking project. Its adjustable height and heavy-duty design make it incredibly versatile and reliable. Easily adjusted from 27 to 43 inches to suit your needs. It's perfect for various tasks and workspaces. With a 250 pounds load capacity, it can handle even your most demanding projects. You can trust it to support your work securely. The guides keep your workpieces in place, ensuring accuracy and safety. This feature makes working on it much easier. The eccentric foot keeps it stable on uneven surfaces, while its lightweight and foldable design makes storage a breeze. It's convenient and easy to move around. This stand folds flat for easy storage, saving you valuable space in your workshop or garage. It's designed for both functionality and convenience. What we like. It adjusts to your ideal height for comfortable operation. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to move around your workshop. If you need a versatile and easy-to-store outfeed table, this is the one for you. Number 4. Portamate PM2700 Conveyor. It's the portable conveyor system that gives you exactly what you need, where you need it. It's easily adjustable and built to last. It expands from 14 to 3/4 inches to 50 inches, providing the perfect length for any job. You can customize it to fit your workspace. Adjust its height from 23 to 36 inches for comfortable and ergonomic use. It locks securely at your chosen height. The frame and casters lock tight, ensuring stability even when carrying heavy loads. It's built to handle the toughest jobs. Its 14-inch wide rollers provide smooth operation, allowing materials to glide effortlessly. It makes moving materials a breeze. It can hold up to 300 pounds, making it ideal for a wide range of materials. It's built to handle heavy loads with ease. Built-in hooks allow you to connect multiple units together for even greater reach and flexibility. Expand your capabilities as needed. With its adjustable length, height, and linkable design, it offers limitless mobility options. It's the perfect solution for any material handling need. What we like. It extends to the perfect length for your project, and its heavy-duty construction ensures stability. You can even connect multiple units for extra long support. If you need a robust and adaptable outfeed solution, this is your best choice. What people say. The rack has enhanced my ability to cut large stock safely and accurately with a job site saw. It collapses and stays out of the way when I'm not using it. It rolls around smoothly on large casters and stays put when the casters are locked. Because of the sturdiness, weight, and quality, I think this is a good product. It's a nice size and adjustable height. Bearings work flawlessly and the unit is very smooth to move around. Expanding and collapsing the unit is super simple and smooth. Number 3. WORKESS 4-in-1 Roller Stand. This innovative stand combines the functionality of a roller stand, sawhorses, and more, all in one convenient package. It's perfect for woodworking projects of all sizes. Its heavy-duty steel construction and unique design provide exceptional stability, supporting up to 440 pounds. You can work with confidence knowing it won't tip or wobble. Easily adjust the height in 10 steps, ranging from 33 to 50 inches. This ensures it's always perfectly leveled for your current task. The high-quality, multi-directional rollers ensure smooth movement of your materials, no matter the size or shape. They're built to last, even in tough conditions. It's easy to assemble, folds away compactly for storage, and is ready to use in seconds. Transform your garage into a professional workspace whenever you need it. Backed by quality certifications and our commitment to customer satisfaction, you can trust it for years to come. We're here to help if you ever have any questions or issues. What we like. This incredibly stable outfeed table offers 4 functions in one, maximizing your workspace efficiency. Its heavy-duty build can handle even the most demanding projects. If you're looking for a multifunctional and rock-solid outfeed solution, this is it. Number 2. Jet JWDS 2244 Drum Sander Tables. These handy tables are designed to work perfectly with your Jet JWDS 2244 drum sander. They're a great help for sanding longer boards, making your work easier and more efficient. No more struggling with oversized wood. They provide stable support for your longest boards during the sanding process. Built to last, it can handle the demands of your projects. It's sturdy enough to support up to 35 pounds of material on each table. When not in use, they fold away neatly, saving valuable space in your workshop. This makes storage a breeze. Each table measures 22 x 10 to 14 inches, providing ample support without being bulky. They're the perfect addition to your sander. They fold flat for easy storage, saving you valuable space in your workshop. You'll appreciate the convenience. What we like. It's designed to perfectly complement your Jet drum sander, and folds away easily for storage. Its compact design is ideal for smaller workshops. If you own a Jet JWDS 2244 and need a space-saving solution, this is the perfect match. What people say. Parts can flow through the drum sander fully supported over a longer surface, and the extension is easily folded down and out of the way. Installation was not very difficult or time-consuming, but a pair of helping hands would make the task much easier. Easy to install and very rigid. Number 1. Promised Land Table Saw Stand. This stand is designed for your Rousseau table saw, offering stability and convenience. It's perfect for those who need a reliable and portable solution. With its folding legs, it folds away easily for storage and transport. You can easily move it around your workshop or take it to a job site. It features an 18x45 surface made of high-quality HPL laminate. This ensures a durable and long-lasting work surface. The leading edge of the table is slightly lower than the saw to help prevent kickback. This added safety feature helps protect you while working. It's built with powder-coated steel for strength and durability. This ensures it can handle the demands of your projects. This stand includes outfeed support for the PM2700D. This provides additional stability and support for your workpieces. It's compatible with Rousseau 2790, 2780, 2785, 2791, and 2795 table saws. It's the perfect addition to your workshop. What we like. It's specifically designed for Rousseau table saws, offering a perfect fit and preventing kickback. Its folding legs make storage a breeze. If you own a Rousseau table saw and prioritize safety and convenience, this is the one for you. What people say. Functions well as intended. Very well built. Welded steel frame, legs work well and lock to make things sturdy. Best stand and outfeed on the market. Makes a job site saw almost as good as a cabinet saw. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.